Today's video topic is a string constant pull. Um Original video. SCP is nothing but a storage area in a heap where a string literal stores. It is also known as a string intern pull or string constant pull. It is just like object allocation. By default, it is empty and privately maintained by Java string class. Java string class. Whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some space in heap memory. Creating number of strings may increase cost and memory, to which may reduce the performance also. JVM performs some step during initialization of string literals that increase performance and decrease the memory load. To decrease number of string objects created in JVM, the JVM string class keeps pool of strings. When we create a string literal, the JVM first checks literal in string pool. If the literal is already present in pool, it returns a reference to the pooled instance. If literal is not present, then the new string object takes place in a string constant pool. Creating string uh, in Java is by two ways. First one is using string literal, and second is using new keyword. In string by using string literal, syntax is like a string name equals to in a double quote XYZ. And using new keyword, uh, string and string name is equal to new string, and in parenthesis double quote XYZ. String is a sequence of characters. One of the most important characteristics of string in Java is that they are immutable. In other words, once created, the internal state of string remains same throughout execution of program. This immutability is achieved through use of special string constant pool in heap. String constant pool is separates place in heap memory where string values of all string which defined in program are stored. When we declare string, object of type string is created in stack, while instance with the values of string is created in heap. On standard assignment, values to string variable allocated in stack, while values in stored in heap in string constant pool. Let's see an assignment. Let assign some values to string as a string str1 equal to in double quote hello. A string object is created in stack. Value hello is created and stored in heap. Since we have normally assigned the value, it is stored in constant pool area of heap. Pointer points toward the value stored in heap from object in stack. Now see the example of multiple string variables having same values. First string str equal to hello, and in second string str hello. In this case, both string objects get created in stack, but another instance of value hello is not created in heap. Instead of this previous hello is reused. The string constant pool is a small cache that resides within heap. Java stores all values inside the string constant pool on direct allocation. This way, if similar values needs to access again and again, then new string object is created in stack and can reference directly with the heap of pointer. In other words, string constant pool exists mainly to reduce memory uses and improve the reuse of existing instance in memory. Thank you.